On how to use your GPS by Larry Benson.
Okay, today we're going to go over how to use basic saving waypoints and accessing points on a GPS. The first thing is to turn your GPS on. You'll want to push the little red light bulb. And once it comes on, you'll get to this satellite page. And once you get to the satellite page, you'll want to be outdoors. And we want to lock on to 4 satellites to get a good reading. And the way that indicates that is if you look at the bottom of this page, you'll see at this point I have 4 black bars filled in. And that means I've locked on to 4 satellites that are in orbit at this time. And once you get to that point, then what we can do is we can save the location that you are presently at that you want to save. And to save the present location, all you need to do is push the mark button. And right there, it lists it as a waypoint, a number. So there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either rename that as a starting point, or you can just remember that that's your starting point at number 022. I'm just going to save it as 022 to save time. But this would be my latitude, this would be my longitude, and this would be my present location. So to save this, at the bottom of the page, see where it says save, I have to push enter. If I do not push enter, it will not save. So I'm going to push the enter button now. And now that is saved on my waypoint list. And if I want to check and make sure, I can push go to. And I go through that list. And if I scroll through, I should be able to find 022 right there, T022. And that's the one I just saved. And that would be my present location. So what you guys are going to be asked to do today is find a couple of hidden spots that we've came up with. And to do this, you can enter and make some new points on the GPS. So what you'll be given is some coordinates, latitude and longitude. And again, if you want to name those, we can go to, let's say, mark. Again, now it says waypoint 023. But what we'll do is we'll scroll up the page, okay, to our latitude. Let's get to this point, 023. If I get to my add number route 2. Let's rename this. I actually probably have to save it first. Okay, now that that was saved again, I'll go back to 023. There's 023, enter, and I'm going to page through till I get to that page. Okay. These are the fun things about technology because I forget how to do it sometimes because I haven't done it in a while. I'm going to go to enter, and there we go. Okay, so I'm going to change those coordinates. And in order to do this, I'm going to scroll up to latitude and longitude, push enter, and now you can type in, just using this key, the numbers that you have to find the location for 023. And so, for example, I have 4853. Let's say it's 4852. Let's say it's 3, 2, go the other way, 5. Okay, and then I'm going to go down, okay, to east, and let's say it's 115. Let's say, for example, 1, 2, 2, 6, 7. Okay. Once I get done with that, then I can go ahead and go all the way. I don't want to leave that at north. I can go back up. Make sure I get to enter. Okay, and that's saved. Now at the bottom, once I've saved those coordinates where it says done, I can push enter. Okay, now let's say I want to find this location. These are the coordinates I just put in. I saved my location at 022, so it knows where I'm at. Now I have 023 in there, and so if I want to find it, okay, I'm going to press enter. Okay, that's my location. And now I'm going to page through. Okay, hopefully I get this. Push enter and enter. I'm sorry. Okay, enter. Go to. Why am I not going to? There we go. Okay, I pushed enter and go to, and now I got to a compass page. Okay, and what this compass, this is going to be my direction to that location. It gives you a bearing, don't worry about that, but it gives me a distance. Okay, well, right now it says I'm 5,064 miles from that location from where I'm at. And I just made those coordinates up, so you guys don't have to go that far. But what you're going to
We hope not.
We hope not. But anyway, it will tell you how far you are from the location.
See you in New York City, huh?
In New York City. See you in a couple of months, you guys. Good luck getting to the airport. But anyway, This arrow will not move until you move. So if you start walking, keep your GPS in a straight line, the arrow will point the direction that you have to go. And will also tell you the distance. And as you get near your location, it'll bring up a message thing and it'll say press page. Once you press page, it'll probably say nearing your location. But just use that as a compass, but you have to move to get that arrow to move. So right now, for example, if I want this to move, the arrow's pointing in that direction. So if